Clean and boil the paya. Wash the trotters with turmeric and salt water. In a pressure cooker, add trotters, onion slices, ginger garlic paste, turmeric, tomato, salt, and water. Prepare masala base optional. Grind onion. Heat ghee or oil in a pan. Add bay leaves, cloves, cinnamon, and cardamom. Add the ground masala, or just chopped onion tomato if not grinding. Cook until the oil separates. Add spices, add red chili powder, coriander powder, black pepper, and garam masala. Pressure cook on medium flame for 6-8 whistles, or until the trotters are soft and gelatin is released. Fry for 1 minute. Combine with paya stock, pour the boiled paya, along with the soup, into the masala. Add water as needed for soup-like consistency. Let it simmer for 15-20 minutes on low flame to absorb flavors. Garnish and serve top with fresh coriander, fried onions, and a squeeze of lemon. Serve hot with naan, idiyappam, dosa, appam, or steamed rice.